Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing a thing that's already been unboxed. Tell me in the comments how many times I said unboxed. Today we're going to be unboxing unboxing a phone. How cool is that? It was actually sent from a friend. So, they sent from a friend of ours. And if you want to go check out her channel, she has, this is its name. This is its name, or I don't know where I'm gonna put the name. Anywhere on the screen right now. Of course, it came in this box. What did I wanted to say? Oh, and it came in the mail. So of course they have a lot of bubble wrap. A lot of bubble wrap. Any more? Nope, not anymore. Guess we're not gonna need this box. Okay, I'm sorry, I won't do that anymore. I'm sorry. Confetti! Ta-da! Oh, wait. Ta-da! Here's the phone. It's an LG. I actually don't know what LG it is. Let's Google it. Unfortunately, I did not really kind of find out what kind of LG phone it is. I just know it's, well, LG. Life's good. Okay, here's the case, and this is how it looks. So first things first, we need to find out how it turns on. As you know, or maybe you don't know, my phone is also an LG, but a newer version. And let's try, I know how to, you have like, okay, I won't say like, but for example, let's take a Samsung. And almost every phone has one button here and two buttons over here. That means volume and turning on. Well, this is not charged. Anyway, and that's the same things I have on my phone. But this one doesn't have anything here. So probably it either has a button, either has a way of just turning on. How do we do that? Let's try the double tap, just like I do to unlock my phone. Yes, it works like that. But it also has a button over here. It actually has three buttons. But if you push on the black one, it also turns on. Okay, what do we need these two for? These are actually the volume. So I turn on. And so first we have this kind of screen. And it has all the things you kind of need or use, or probably use: a camera, messages, a phone book, Google, also Google Apps, a gallery, calendar, email, Play Store, Verizon stuff, LG music, well, voice recorder, all those like fun, cool stuff. Yeah, and if you want to turn up or turn down the volume, you just push on one of these buttons. This button makes the volume less, and this one makes the volume up. Here, for example, I push the upper button, and when I push the lower button, so you get the point, right? In the volume section, we have the notification sound, touch feedback and system sound, music, video, games, and other media, and ringtone. I usually have it on everything, you know, in case of emergency. Now let's go and check out the apps and how they work, or are they working, or anything like that. So first things first. You have settings. That's good. Let's make this a little bit lighter. That's good. Okay, let's make it a little bit lower. That's good. Now I can't see anything. Come on. That's good. First thing first is airplane mode. That's the first thing. Then Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile hotspot, data usage, advanced calling, share and connect, more. That was in wireless networks. Then we have device. Then we have personal and systems. System. This is all like sections. Usually if I get a new phone, but that's rarely, I guess. I don't know. Every time I got a new phone, and that was not too many times. Of course, first I would go into device because it has sound. And when it has sound, it has a ringtone, and it has notification sound. For the notification sound, we have a lot of stuff, but I picked the Ice Cube. Yeah, I'm that kind of girl. Really funny. And for the ringtone, my little sister, as you already saw, Stasha, picked it out. It's a music box. That was the music box, and yeah. So it has, so the settings we know works perfectly. Now we also have an app called Help, and it has also all the things you probably need. Step-by-step tutorials, basic setup, basic definitions, icon glossary, user guide, my Verizon mobile, tip settings. So that was good, right?